Hi guys, it's Jamie Genevieve. I am here at the Urban Decay Content Lab and today I am in the confessional and we are going to do this going out makeup look, and if you'd like to see it, stay tuned. I have primed my eye already with Eden Primer and we're going to go in with the Naked 3 Majestic Rose Gold Heaven, and we're going to focus on Dark Heart here, which is such a beautiful dark shade that has a kind of pinky duochrome. So I'm going to mattify my entire lid with this shade here called Limit with a fluffy brush. We always just do this just to set the primer, make sure nothing's too creamy underneath our shadows. I'm going to create a really kind of soft halo eye with some really kind of dark accents in the corner. So I'm going to go in with this shade here to define my crease. I'm going to go in with the tapered blending brush in the same shade Nooner, and I'm just going to smoke it out underneath. We're going to intensify the crease with a little bit of dark side now. All these shadows are so blendable. So I'm just going in with the shade Nooner just to help blend out the kind of darker corner. I'm going to grab my tapered blending brush and the shade Nooner again, and I'm just going to press that on my inner corner. If you've not noticed, I'm amazing at accents. So we're just going to use this eyeshadow on the inner corner. Yes! And then I'm just going to go in with a little bit more dark side underneath. So I'm going to go in with Dark Heart here. I'm going to pick up tons of the product on my brush and I'm going to spray my all-nighter spray onto the brush, and we're going to press that onto the outer corner. Once I've blended that out, I'm going to go in with the same shadow and just press it on again with a flat brush. And then I'm going to take the new finger brush and I'm just going to use that to apply this shade here, which is Buzz, and it's just the most beautiful like rose gold shimmer, and we're going to pop that on as our spotlight. And I'm going to use the same technique with the all-nighter spray just to pick up that metallic-y shine. I'm going to get a little bit of the shade Dust, which is super metallic-y and light, and I'm just going to pop that right in the middle. I'm going to go in with the same kind of flat brush and I'm just going to go underneath my lower lash line with the Dark Heart shade, and then I'm going to put a tiny little bit of Dark Heart just in the inner corner. I'm going to use this shade here, Dust, to highlight my brow bone. I'm going to use the brand new Perversion Fine Point Pen. I'm going to use that just to line my top lash line before I put mascara on. And now I'm going to use the Subversion and Perversion Mascara Primer and Mascara. So I'm going to use my favourite Liar lip liner. And now I'm going to go in with the Comfort Matte Back Talk Lipstick. This is a big seller. So guys, that is the finished look. I hope you like it. I am ready to go out on the town. If you would like to see more makeup looks like this, be sure to follow Urban Decay and I'll see you next time.